From the glorious history of industrial civilization, humanity is moving towards a sustainable and prosperous ecological civilization. Following the trend of intelligent technology, Shenling has the dream, substantially, to create excellent environment for all walks of life. Based on the trend, Guangdong Shenling Environmental Systems Company Limited was founded in 2000, locates in Shunde, the core area of the Greater Bay Economic Zone.
森林创造各行各业好环境。
Shenling adheres to the business philosophy, one heart, one dream, co-development, co-sharing, takes energy utilization and management, environmental regulation and control as the service direction, provides customers with vertical integrated solutions for artificial intelligence environment control. Shenling integrates R&D, design, manufacturing, marketing, and service integration and implementation, operation and maintenance, and has developed the differentiated intelligent technology of environmental control. As the National Technology Innovation Demonstration Enterprise and Intellectual Property Advantage Enterprise, Shenling has R&D and innovation support platforms such as National Postdoctoral Research Workstation, National Center for Enterprise Technology, CNAS Standard Testing Laboratories, and Guangdong Specialized Air Conditioning Engineering Technology R&D Center. Shenling attracts outstanding talents, with doctors, masters, and senior engineers as the core members, firmly grasp the leading power of equipment design, including ultra-high energy efficiency, environmental-friendly green engineering, intelligent control, extreme environment application, explosion-proof and anti-corrosion, anti-seismic and shock resistance. Shenling owns the international advanced HVAC technologies in hydropower, rail traffic, telecommunication, nuclear power, etc. Over the past 20 years, Shenling has successfully applied for hundreds of invention patents and utility model patents. In 2012 and 2016, Shenling won the State Technological Innovation Award, has successively undertaken the R&D of several key projects, such as the National Torch Plan and the National Science and Technology Support Plan, and was responsible for or participated in drafting several national and industrial standards. Entering the era of intelligent interconnection, Shenling adopts cloud computing, big data, IoT technologies, in a more sophisticated and intelligent way, realize the control of environmental systems in various industries. Products continue to innovate and extend. It covers ICT temperature control and thermal management, industrial and specialized air conditioners, public building and commercial air conditioners, heat pumps and photovoltaic storage thermal system, as well as digital energy environment vertical integrated solution. Shenling concentrates to create the vertical integrated solution for digital energy environment. With the concept of satisfying functions, improving performance, optimizing energy saving, Shenling provides clients with full chain integrated services of energy planning, product customization, integrated implementation, smart control, intelligent operation and maintenance. Building information modeling technology, prefabricated energy station technology, turning complicated and difficult on-site engineering construction into factory prefabrication, and make the chiller plant nice, compact, and easy to maintain. Efficient chilled water plant technology and fluid transmission distribution system make the overall energy efficiency above 5.5. The technologies of ultra-large temperature difference cold and heat storage, cold and heat double effect, energy storage and firefighting integration, multi-stage flow regulation and water distribution, and ultra-large temperature difference terminal configuration contribute to more space for energy and cost saving. The technologies of variable load flow dynamic regulation, airflow field simulation, closing to wall air supply, ultra-low humidity and ultra-clean space support make the indoor environment more comfortable and accurately controllable. The Link Carbon Cloud AIoT platform plus intelligent equipment, digital intelligence industry solutions, integrate data collection, energy management, energy saving control, intelligent operation, after-sales maintenance. Realize all elements of the system, 24/7 dynamic sensing and comprehensive control. During the construction of the Intelligent Park, Shenling fully utilizes the vertical integration solution, creating a new benchmark for low-carbon buildings with the conception of Smart Park Digital Energy Environment. The whole park has a smart service center, 4 platforms of comprehensive monitoring, equipment O&M management, operation management, and emergency management, while numerous technologies such as environmental equipment monitoring, energy consumption analysis, comprehensive control create a comfortable, efficient, convenient, low-carbon office environment. The digital factory, based on multi-system applications such as CRM, PLM, SRM, and MES, can collaborate product development, manufacturing, and supply chain systems efficiently and satisfy the quick execution of customized products. Automatic storage and retrieval system, intelligent distribution, and online detection can satisfy multi-dimensional synchronous operation. The park was designed according to China National Green Building Standards and international leading LEED evaluation standards. Cold and heat storage with large temperature difference, peak shaving and valley filling, solar power generation, and photovoltaic storage thermal system significantly reduce energy consumption and carbon emissions. The energy saving rate of the air conditioning system exceeds 40%. Cost saving rate is about 80%. In the future, Shenling will take on more responsibility and obligation, standing firm on the strategy of energy management and control, contribute to carbon peak and carbon neutrality, and provide continuous vitality for the green and low-carbon sustainable development of all walks of life.